Okay, so I just wanted to show you my milkweed plant in my little container in the front of my yard. This is a milkweed and it's the host plant for monarchs. Really easy to grow and really easy to raise a few monarchs in the yard. Monarchs are very good pollinators and they're dying out, so it's really a good idea to just plant that special flower that doesn't take up much space, and you would attract some monarch butterflies, and they'll come over, lay their eggs, and in a few days you'll have a ton of monarch caterpillars. So as you look at this right here, this tree looked like this before, but I reaped about 20 monarchs off of here. The caterpillars, they eat off all the leaves till nothing is left, and if they can't find anything else, they'll start to eat the woody stem part. So once they get to that stage though, I take them in and keep them in my my caterpillar container. So right now in here I have a bunch of cocoons or chrysalis, and this morning I reaped about 4 of them. 4 monarchs came out, 4 butterflies, and now these are getting ready again. Maybe by tomorrow I'll have a couple of them here. So you can see how they're starting to turn black right there. They're usually nice and green like this one here, but this one is getting black, and that means it's gonna hatch. If it's okay, it will come out nicely. The one that hatched this morning came from this one right here. It's now white. There's nothing inside. So I love catching them. I love raising them because they're easy to raise, and it makes sense to help them to survive. So let me show you what a caterpillar might look like on one. Here's another one I have over here, another tree, and there is a caterpillar on one of these, on right underneath here. Look at that. And it's gonna stay there and eat all that it can from this plant. And I usually watch them because I have lizards in the yard, and even though they say that lizards and birds won't eat them, I have a lizard in this yard that attacks my caterpillar for food. So as soon as the caterpillars get big enough, about 3 inches or so, they look nice and thick, I take them in and keep them inside my house and watch their progress. So this tree just has 1 caterpillar right now, and there was an egg on here, so I guess that might have been the egg. When I bought this plant this week in the store, there was just 1 egg on it. But eventually the monarchs will find it. They have a special way to figure it out by the scent of it, and they come over from wherever they are and they lay eggs on here. And I can tell you that the ones that I reaped the other day was from 1 butterfly. She came over and she spent a whole half a day laying her eggs. So right now I have a bunch of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At 9, about 10 in here, and I have another container inside that has 2 more. So I just need to let them stay still and watch them hatch. It's beautiful. I feel like I'm helping them to survive and helping pollinators, and that's a good thing. Hope you enjoy my little video, and all you need to do is to buy a monarch milkweed. They sell them in Home Depot or Lowe's or any garden store. They're easy to take care of. You don't have to do anything to them, and once they eat them off, the leaves come right back. So look at this baby monarch just hatched, and it's struggling right now to get strength so that it can fly away, and I'm actually going to remove it from here and put it on a plant or a flower where it will get some juice or nectar to get stronger. And let's see, I have a hibiscus flower right here. I'm gonna lay it right there so it gets a little strength from that hibiscus flower, and we'll soon find out if it has energy to fly away. See, it's flapping its wings, so it's getting strength. It's a new one, so they usually take a couple of days to get really strong.